Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So tonight, it's a little late, but we're gonna check out the homemade rock tumbler. 5 days now on 36 grit silicon carbide, so I don't want to go too long with that stuff. So it's first run. Let's see what it even worked. You know, we don't even know. I just built this thing without even really looking into it too much. But when I hit up the old company that sold me these guys, asked them how many RPMs their machine turns the barrel at. So they said like, oh, the motor's 1250. They don't say nothing about the barrel, but their barrels rotate at 20 RPMs, and this is at 21 and a half, 22 maybe. So yeah, pretty spot on. I don't mind if it's going a little fast. A little slow would suck. All right, let's go check it out. All right, here's what it's all about. So if you want to know the whole build, like what everything is, I'll show you right now. You can pause this. I could probably put a parts list together and put it in the description. 1/4 horsepower marathon motor. That fan is something I found on Amazon for $8.99. The pulley is 12 inches. The other pulley is 2 inches. The shaft bore on this is a 1/2 inch. We're going 3/4 steel rods that I picked up at Ace Hardware. $17.99 each, 36 inches. 3/4 inch pillow blocks, 4 for $25 on Amazon. Let's see, the drums, or the barrels, whatever you want to call them, $100 a piece, or basically $99.99 on a lot of different websites. I think the Rock Shed got me one, and then Stainless Steel Tumbling Media.com got the other two. So $300 for that. Oh yeah, let me tell you pricing. $97. The pulley's $8, or the fan's $8. The pulley's $9. That pulley from Home Depot, 12-inch swamp cooler pulley, $21. $17.99 for the steel rods each. $25 for all 4 pillow blocks. $100 per barrel. So I'm in it literally like $498. I had all the wood. I made the base out of some oak strips that I just had. Got a lot of woodworking equipment. Sometimes if it's on not level, it will decide to ride back over there. So I put that there to stop it from doing that. But over here it doesn't, it comes close, but it's not rubbing on metal. This is electrical tape, nothing fancy. We're eating through it a little bit. It's pretty quiet. Definitely hear those rocks. Oh yeah, this is where it all started. And it's still working. Yay. All right, anyways, back to this cool little contraption. So one of the neat things about this is I can just get more pillow blocks. I'm gonna put 4 more down here with a 1/2 inch maybe, or 5/8 probably, to put about 3 or 4, or probably 4 or 5 of these. So there's enough clearance down here to where I can basically have a row of these going. All I gotta do is put a pulley right here, going down to the pulley on this shaft down here. And basically, thank you for letting me borrow that. Yeah, basically, you know, link it with a belt. And you got another row for smaller barrels. Those are only 20 bucks a piece too right now, so that's a pretty good deal. And if I ever wanted to, there's enough room back here even to put definitely 4 more pillow blocks. And I could probably, gosh, you know, I could probably fit 3 more back there, but yeah, that motor will definitely power everything. And the way I would get those ones power, I would put a pulley right here that just went down to the steel rod over for these barrels. So everything would just be linked with pulleys. And yeah, so like when you turned it on, it would be this Frankenstein thing of churning barrels, which would be pretty freaking cool if you ask me, dude. Like, I'm down with that. But yeah, dude, so when I bought this thing, it was $70. I was like, oh my God, I could make something so, I was mad I spent 70 bucks, dude, on that. I mean, it got me hyped up for it, you know, and I finished a round of just landscaping rocks that turned out really cool. And look, I found a couple rocks. But yeah, man, see, I've been kind of like shaping stuff too. A little worry stone that I did all this on a tile saw too. All that was tile saw, which it was this one. So I just put that new lap blade on that I did a video about. Go check it out. We're about to put that cutting edge supply onto this, you know, homemade slab saw, I guess, whatever you want. Anyway, that I got a speed control for that to slow it down, so we're not running 4,000 RPMs on these lapidary blades. I can show you all that stuff too in another video. Dude, I did that on that tile saw, shaped the whole dang thing. So you don't need some high-tech fancy stuff to get started. Shaped all this stuff actually, and cut all this stuff too on this rink-a-dinky little thing with an actual tile blade. Just whatever, I got it for free. Some guy's like, here you go, dude, have fun. And I did. So I got a whole bunch of blades over here to put on. I'm gonna definitely go with that cutting edge. Oh. Because I want to do some more of that kind of stuff. But I'll put the green line slabber back on, and then I'll put the 14-inch on and show you how when this is all the way up and you got the 14-inch blade on there, it still clears it, no problem. And so you can use a 10-inch or a 14-inch blade on this machine. They don't say that in the description for this, but little industry trick, I guess you can, in case you got to cut a big rock. They don't recommend it, obviously, but you can do it. Anyway, have fun, guys. Happy tumbling. I'm about to open these up and look inside, so join me for that.